Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Mitsubishi Finance from the website. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in Mitsubishi Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Now scroll down a little bit until you see secure login button, click on it. Now you'll need your email address and password to log in, so type in your email. Now type in your password. Now if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link and reset your password. If you don't have an account, you can click on register and create a new account. Now click on login, and this is it. Following this simple and easy step, you are now able to log in Mitsubishi Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.